In this video, I'll show you how you can make a GIF on Discord. What you want to do is you want to just Google Giphy and come to giphy.com. In here, if you want to create your entire own one, you can just press on create, upload a picture or anything, then you can make it in there. Otherwise, there's a lot of pre-made ones that you can create in here. So I'll just select this one. Then once you've done that, you just want to press copy link, and then you can open your Discord and just paste the full link. Press enter and you'll see that it will now send the GIF. So that is basically how it works. If you want to make your own, like I said, you can either upload one you have made, or you can press create, upload your picture or something, or video that you want to make into a GIF, and then you can customize it from in there, copy the link, and then send it over Discord. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.